Hey Tank, this video is brought to you courtesy of my son Jaden and his wife McKenna, who did the videoing. We have a clogged toilet and a toddler in the same house. So you're going to run into this. First thing to do is turn off the water there on the wall. Then you need to flush the toilet. You have to get the water out of the tank and out of the bowl. We're going to ultimately end up having to pull this toilet up off the floor to get the clog out. So flush it. You've got to get the water out of the tank here so you can raise up the flapper, splash the remaining water down the drain. We're going to make one attempt here to get the clog out with a snake. That's going to be unsuccessful. So we get the water level down in the bowl, by the way, by plunging it a little, and that'll get that water on down the drain for you, but it doesn't remove the clog. So we're going to have to pull it. You take out take the nuts off on both sides of the base flange of the toilet there. Get a good grip on the toilet. It's a little bit heavy. You might want to like squat around the toilet, get a good grip, lift with your knees. In this case, we're just going to lift it up a little and see what we can see. You can see the wax ring down there. As long as you don't damage that, then you're fine. So we're going to look down here and dig around a little with the screwdriver. Voila, there's a little Lego man that was causing a problem, and then the Lego man was holding up that wad of toilet tissue. That was the issue. So now we set it back on the wax ring, flush it, it works, put the bolts back on, and that's how that works. Something you can easily do yourself. Just don't damage that wax ring and you shouldn't have any problem with leaks.